Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this video. My name is David. I'm a software engineer and also a digital marketer. In today's video, we'll be talking about e-commerce for beginners in Uganda. This is going to be an extremely dialed down discussion on the absolute basics for e-commerce. Let's get started. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. Simply put, it is selling a product or a service online. In recent years, e-commerce has expanded rapidly worldwide, including in Uganda. It will only continue to grow, benefiting small and medium-sized businesses and also large corporations and individual entrepreneurs. Today, people in Uganda can easily buy and sell products online at any time from almost anywhere in the country or even in the world. The potential to scale your business through e-commerce is greater than ever. In fact, e-commerce is one of the fastest growing retail markets globally. Okay, let's see the benefits of e-commerce in Uganda in 2025. There are plenty reasons why e-commerce is greater opportunity in Uganda. Number one here is access to larger market. Selling online means you can reach more people across Uganda and even internationally. Number two here, choose your customers. You can target specific customer groups based on their interests, their age, or even their location. Number three, 24/7 availability. Your store remains open every day and at all hours without worrying about closing time. 4, work from anywhere. You can run your business from home, a co-working space, or even while traveling, as long as you have internet connection. Number 5 is low cost. Unlike a physical store that requires rent and utilities, an online store is more affordable to start and even to run. Who can open e-commerce store in Uganda? Anyone. I mean anyone. You just need a few essentials to get started. And those essentials are here. Number 1, a product or a service to sell. Number 2, a platform to sell from. Number 3, a way to process payments. Number 4, a marketing strategy to attract customers. Okay, let's break this further. Choosing your product or a service to sell. Who is your target audience? Are you selling to individual consumers or businesses? Offer something unique. Avoid selling what everyone else is selling unless you have a competitive advantage. Solve a problem. The best product and a service is the one that helps people solve their everyday challenges. Set the right price. Your price should be competitive but allows you to make profits. Where will you sell your products in Uganda? Since e-commerce is all about selling online, you need a website or e-commerce platforms like Jumia Uganda, Shopify, WooCommerce, or a content management system, a tool that helps you manage your store and add products and accept also payments. Your website is your online shop, just like a physical store. Make sure it is easy to use, visual appealing, and trustworthy for your customers. Payment processing in Uganda. Your payment provider must be reliable and secure as they handle your business transactions. Key factors that you should consider include compatibility with your e-commerce platform or your website, availability in Uganda and other markets that you are targeting, ability to accept multiple payments options like mobile money, bank transfers, transaction fees and costs, customer support and security. There are payment processors in Uganda that include MTN Mobile Money, Airtel Money, Pesapal, Flatweb, PayPal. This is good for international customers. Marketing strategy for e-commerce in Uganda. Just having an online store is not enough. You need to bring customers to your website. Unlike physical shops where people can pass by and discover your business, you need to actively market your online store. Here are the key areas that you should focus on. Number 1, social media marketing. Social media is one of the best tools for growing your online business in Uganda. Platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, X, or TikTok are widely used for e-commerce. Use Facebook Marketplace and WhatsApp Business to engage customers directly. Provide quick customer support and showcase your products with videos and images. 2. SEO, search engine optimization. SEO helps your business appear higher in Google search results, making it easier for customers to find you. Most people don't go past the first page of Google. Aim to rank higher. Use keywords that your customers are searching for, such as best online shoe store in Uganda, or where to buy smartphones in Uganda, or where to buy smartphones in Kampala. Number 3, email marketing. Email marketing keeps your customers engaged and it helps you grow your business. Build email lists from day one. Offer a discount or valuable information to encourage people to sign up. Use email marketing tools like Mailchimp or Sendy to send promotional emails. E-commerce in Uganda is a huge opportunity and anyone can succeed with the right strategy. Yes, there will be big competitors, but every business starts small. Over time, you can grow and turn your online store into a thriving business. I hope this video helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips, software tips, and also see you next time.